Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Pagani Utopia and this is by Hotwheels. So I bought this for MRP which is 179. So again I'm saying this guys, lot of people are commenting in my last week's video where I'm getting this for MRP, how to get this on MRP, share me some link. Honestly, I never buy Hot Wheels online. It doesn't matter even if they are on discount. So either some most of the time my friends are helping me out here in Chennai. Sometimes there are a couple of people in my native place, they just share pics of whatever cars are available like this. I'll just you know pick it and then ask them to keep it. I'll just pay them, that's it. But I again, if it is Hot Wheels, I'll buy. It doesn't matter most of the brands. If it is in India, if there is a MRP tag mentioned, I will buy it for MRP only, not a rupee more than that. So lot of times nowadays, in the recent past 6 months, I'm specifically talking about, I'm not going on any hunt. My friends are helping me out like 95% of the time. So rest 5% is like, I just go to any shop, like any random shop, any fancy store, just go out and see some fancy stores. Most of the fancy stores actually has Hot Wheels. Even a couple of days back, I just went to a random store, they had the remaining Hot Wheels there. I think I don't know which case that is now, but they actually had some fantasies and some one or two mains actually, but those are like repeats. So I think the guys probably didn't touch that one. So I was able to see those. These are like very random shops. I just go and see there is a toys hanging here and there. So I'll just go in and see. Okay, if there are toys, I'll just go inside and see if there is any Hot Wheels or majorettes. So like this only I'm actually getting if I'm going out nowadays, because the shops who used to support me, they are not supporting me now. It's been more than, it's going to be a year I guess. So or it might be more than a year at this point. So you know a lot of them actually stopped supporting because I actually commented their shop's name in some of the comments sometime back. I even told the, in my videos. I don't know in which videos, because it's been 2 years since I'm doing this now. So scalpers started flooding those shops, and and one of the guy actually is very close friend of mine. He actually has a shop. So he called me and told, see, people are getting this from me and they're reselling it for very high prices, so I'm not going to get any boxes moving forward. So that's what happened. So don't ask me again where I'm getting this. Again, even I'm not sure where I'm getting this from, but I'm getting it from my friends. I'm not asking them where they are getting it from. So if I'm getting it, then it's good. I'm just doing videos on it. That's it. So if I'm able to help out someone, I will be helping out. Like I'm just doing the sale post here and there. Some of the time whenever I'm getting some time. So like that it is going now. But if I'm getting something solid, like if I'm getting every case every time properly from one single person or one single shop, then I am ready to help out. uh, Depends upon my time frame, but now it is not the case. So I think, okay, I already wasted 3 minutes of it. Let's get this unboxed. Okay, here is the card art. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, actually this casting looks really beautiful, and more specifically the paint job on this one looks really nice. Okay, it does have a little bit of this paint smearing here and there, but it's good. It's nothing to talk about really that much. So it does have headlight details here. I don't know what this is supposed to be in this actual car, but there is some gray paint here. Honestly, I'm not sure what this is. In the hood you can see here, center of the hood. So it does have grill detailing here. Let me see if I can add more light. I think you guys can able to see it more clearly than I'm seeing here. So everything is painted in blue, which is really nice. So you can see this name placement here. Okay, that looks a bit good compared to you know other Hot Wheels in general. I think it says Horatio Pagani, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so it doesn't have any tail light detailing. I mean, like on the paint perspective, but it has tail light details here. Which is embossed on. and you can see the exhaust also, which is actually in acrylic. That is something. So you can see the name placement here, Utopia. That is also great on this one. It is not smeared or messed up anyways. So that is a really good thing if you ask me. And the interior details are looking really nice. And I mean, it is unique to the specific car, so it is not some standard thing they do for every car. So that's one thing I really love about Hot Wheels or even Matchbox. So they actually go with the actual car's interior instead of just giving a random one. So it has wiper details here, which is really nice. Okay, the body is fully metal, chassis is plastic. Chassis doesn't have any detailing here. So the rims are pretty standard, it's pretty standard Hot Wheels rims. Like, okay, it does have some engine detailing here. You can see that. I hope you guys can able to see that, because the light is directly hitting there. I'm just seeing it through this privacy protector in my mobile. So that is really a beautiful casting. If you are able to get this, on my suggestion would be go ahead and get this. Okay, let's wait this casting now. So if you are in a dilemma between this or that creamy white color, go for this particular color. This is really beautiful. Okay, 29 grams. It's okay. It's not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. It rolls smoothly. Okay, I don't see any wheel wobble, but it does roll really nice, smooth, and it does reach the track. So it is really good. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So again, this is like a mainline Hot Wheels, so uh, three side detailing and all. So it has three side detailing, to be honest, one, two, and with headlight detailing. See, personally for me, I love the headlight detailing instead of giving tail light details. But they went with everything here. I mean, even though it doesn't have any paint here, they did emboss it. That looks really nice. So I would give 10 out of 10 for this car. I'm not seeing any issue with this. I mean, a common issue I'm talking about, not specific to mine. So a solid 10 out of 10 for this particular casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.